Welcome to Way to Commerce. Subscribe to Way to Commerce. Today we discuss about business risk and financial risk. This is the IPCC practice manual. We already discussed about business risk and financial risk introduction and formulas for business risk and financial risk. Now we discuss problems. Question 1. Consider the following information for Omega Limited. EBIT, earning before interest and tax, 15,750. Earning before tax, EBT, 7,000. Fixed operating cost, 1,575. Calculate percentage change in EPS, earning per share, if sales increases by 5%. Here relation is percentage change in EPS by percentage change in sales. So this is the combined leverage formula. Now we have to find out, there is no data about combined leverage. That's why we have to find out degree of operating leverage, next degree of financial leverage. After that we can find answer. What is the degree of operating leverage formula? Contribution by EBIT. Contribution by EBIT. Here given EBIT is given. Now we have to find out contribution. What is the contribution formula? Contribution equal to EBIT plus fixed operating cost. Fixed operating cost. How can we get that formula? Sales minus variable cost. It gives contribution minus fixed cost. It gives EBIT. Now we have EBIT and fixed cost. By adding this we can get contribution. Okay, find out contribution. 15,750 plus 1,575. 17,325 is the contribution. 17,325 contribution by EBIT 15,750. 15,750. So 1.1 is the degree of operating leverage. Now we find out degree of financial leverage. Okay, what is the formula for degree of financial leverage? EBIT by EBT. So this is the formula for degree of financial leverage. What is the EBIT amount? 15,750. EBT 7,000. Now we get 15,750 by 7,000 equal to 2.25. So this is the degree of financial leverage. Combined leverage. Degree of combined leverage equal to, what is the formula? Degree of operating leverage into degree of financial leverage. It gives 1.1 into 2.25. 1.1 into 2.25. 2.475. 2.475. It is the degree of combined leverage. Now we have to find out percentage change in EPS. Okay, percentage change in EPS. What is the degree of combined leverage formula? degree of combined leverage equal to percentage change in EPS. We are recording classes in mobile phone, that's why our main objective is conceptual learning, focus on class and conceptual learning only. Percentage change in EPS by percentage change in sales. Now we have two values. One is percentage change in sales, it is given in problem as 5%, and also degree of combined leverage. Replace these values. $2.475 equal to percentage change in EPS, percentage change in EPS by 5%. Now we get 2.475 into 5%. It gives 12.375. It is the percentage change in EPS, our answer. Hence, if sales is increased by 5%, EPS will be increased by 12.375%. Okay. This is the problem number 1. Now we go to answer in practice manual. Operating leverage here given, we find out 1.1, financial leverage 2.25, combined leverage 2.475. After that, using combined leverage formula, we find out percentage change in EPS. This is the